Hey friends, Scott Sachs with Long & Foster outside my new listing in Reston, Virginia. We're not here for an open Sunday or an open house today because we're under contract. 2 days, over ask price, clean conditions, happy sellers in an enclave of homes where there's 3 other active listings with similar square footage and condition, and we're under contract in 2 days. How do we do it? Click the link, go to scottsachs.com or the estridgegroup.com and inquire for more information. We use a personalized and strategic approach to ensure that the right buyers and the right agents are getting your listing, and that they are made aware of your listing, and that their buyers need to see your listing. This is what we do consistently for all of our sellers across the DMV, and you should be next. Reach out to us and find out how we can be a resource for you, particularly with the Amazon news coming in. Don't miss us to be a resource on your behalf. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day. Take care.